Okay guys, thanks for tuning into Review Channel. So today we're flying the DJI Mini 2 in 11-degree weather. Yes, it's 11 degrees out. It is freaking freezing out here, but I wanted to make this video for you. I wanted to see how long this puppy lasts flying. It is at 75% right now, and we're going to take off and we're going to just see how it's going to work out. Let's just get this up and running. Let's see what's going on. Let's just get these agreements all signed. 1 second. 1 minute. Let's do these. 1, 2, 3, and okay. And we're good to go. Okay, so it's at 75%, X70, and let's take off. And here we go. So here we are. We're gonna see how long this puppy can run for up here right now. You can see, and we're gonna take it up, and we're gonna take a look around and see what's going on. So let's take this puppy up in the air and see what's going on. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can see it's balancing out in the wind pretty well, pretty steady. Pretty sturdy, you can see here, working pretty well. Pretty happy so far. And let's take it up and see what goes on. Okay, so I don't want to take it too far up in the air. I just want to see pretty much how long we can get it running for at 70% right now, I believe it is. So let's see how long this takes to, like I said, it is 11 degrees out here. It is freaking freezing. Put the gimbal down, take a look here. As you can see, we got some snow on the ground here. It is quite cold out, but I tell you that it handles fantastic, and I just want to see how long the actual battery lasts. It is 11 degrees out. As you can see, it is freezing. It's at 71% right now, the battery, and holding up very well. And our altitude right now is approximately 62 feet. It's fighting the wind a little bit. You can hear that happening up there, so you can hear that. And I'm just gonna scoot around, make sure we're recording. And yes, we are recording on the DJI, and you can see it is super stable right now. Let's just take a look around and just see. In the cinema mode, just nice and slow. We'll get a panoramic shot all around. Fantastic. So we're at 69%. It is fighting the wind. I can hear it up there fighting the wind for sure. It definitely fighting the wind. It's going back and forth. You can actually hear it. It's down to 68%. Again, it is 11 degrees out, as you can hear. It's way up there. You can see it. We bring it down. I'll bring it down so you can really see what's cooking. Just to see what's going on up there. Hopefully you can see it. You can see the fantastic. It really works quite well. If you guys have any questions or any comments, leave down below in the description. It is, again, 11 degrees out. I just want to see how the operation is a little bit and how long it does fly and how long it does last in the air. And that's what it's about right now. Let's bring it back up. Actually holding up pretty well. We're down to around 64% right now, it looks like. In the temperature test, it's again 11 degrees out. It's got some wind up there. You can hear it actually fighting the wind a little bit. It is windy out. It's with the wind, I think it's around 5 below 0 with the wind chill. That's what the wind is right now, 5 below 0, which is freaking cold. Just to let you know, it is cold out here. So I'm doing this for you just to let you know what we're running here and how long things are going to run for. Let's do another sweep. We're at 43 feet high. I don't want to go too high just in case we have any issues at all. It is performing very well. Let me get out of the sun there so you can see. So hopefully you can see everything going on. They're down to 62%. The battery is dropping. Like I said, it is very cold out. 11 degrees out, minus the wind chill, which isn't very nice. It is cold. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave down below. Let me know what you think. It is cold, man. Down to 60%, and we did start around 75% at the beginning of the test flight. And let's just see Let's bring it up a little bit higher. Let's go 60, 70, 80, 90. There's 100 feet in the air. As you can see, let's just look around, see what we have. Go everywhere. I'll bring the gimbal up a little bit so you can see the horizon. Sure. The battery is dropping actually quite rapidly at this point. It is really cold though. Like I said, it's probably like 11 below zero with the wind. It is cold, cold, cold. Yes. But I tell you, it's handling very, very well. I am very impressed with the ability of handling it. Let's just bring it back down a little bit again. Let's bring it down. And let's turn it this way and move it forward a little bit. Here, it's still holding up very, very well. No problem whatsoever. There's the gimbal. Gimbal's moving up and down. Nice and easy. It's handling the wind. It's a little bit of windy right now. You can see the wind, how it's just balancing the wind beautifully. It's actually taking that wind like a champ. These DJIs are fantastic. They work great. Turn it this way. Let's turn that way. Okay, how much power we have left? 53% power. So it's holding up very, very well. Smooth as it can be. Very, very smooth. And let's take it up one more time for one more quick run. There it goes. And we are at 74 feet. And again, don't want to go too high. Battery's dropping to about 50%. So it is holding up very, very well. If you guys have any questions or any comments, leave down below. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help my channel quite a bit. I do appreciate that. And I am freezing my bananas off. All right, so I just want to make a quick video for you, just to let you know how it performs in very, very cold temperatures. And I don't see any issues whatsoever at all. Take a look around the horizon. Let's just go up, bring it up a little bit more to 130 feet. As you can see here, here's a beautiful view here with all the snow. It looks really, really nice. Let's take a look at the horizon. As you can see, perfect. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to make this short because I am frozen. I'm gonna bring it back down and land it. Yep, let's take him down. Here she comes. There she comes, there she comes. Take her forward a little bit. And let's land her. Okay guys, so we landed. So I couldn't stay out there that long. I'm sorry, it was just so cold, as you heard me say it 100 times. So please don't say it in the comments. I know it was cold. So I got about used around 30% of the battery. It lasted quite well. It's gonna handle very, very well. So I hope you appreciate the test. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out my unboxing and also my first flight video with the DJI Mini 2. I love this little drone. It is super awesome. And I'll see you at the next review.